Golly. Is that cool?
Yeah.
We'll just put those in there just in case. All right. And then the waters. Morning. How you doing?
Good. Looked at your YouTube last night.
Oh, you did? Which one did you see?
2 or 3 of them.
Very good.
Have a nice
I hope we get some action to put some more on today. Whoa. Bang. There we go. Hey, good luck to y'all. Thank you, sir.
The rut's starting to pick up here also.
Oh, yeah. So I had a buck chasing a couple does behind our house in the subdivision.
Yeah, they're all over our subdivision. My truck the other day, because it was, there you go. Yeah.
Oh, he came off. There he is. Oh, he came off again. My excuse is I got the bad hooks on this, but the other excuse is I got the wrong rod. I was super selective there too. Oh, he hit it. That was a baby probably, but he hit it hard. Yeah. Usually they hit it really super hard, it's a baby.
You talked me into it.
I just haven't had a... Ouch. He hurt himself. There we go. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Did he come off?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Uh-oh.
We see this bird hanging from a tree by its wing, tied up in fishing line. And I don't know, I thought I had a shot of it from the camera, but I guess I
Hang on a
don't.
minute.
And we
Let's take the net.
tried to get this rope up around the tree, and we were going to rake it down the limb and free the bird. Anyway,
All right, hang on.
that was a whole lot of trying. We spent over an hour. So you'll have to watch and see what happened.
I want to get more on this angle so it doesn't.
There you go. You're almost there.
Oh shoot! All right. All right, we can't let it slip off though.
Okay. I've got it hooked to the...
All right, so can you bring it down where your hands can get it? All right, so now what we need to do. Yeah, bird, please don't poop. All right, hang on.
Just don't look up, right?
All right, yeah. All right, let's
You got it?
do this.
Around the other wing. No, you can't do anything about it. But that may be good, actually.
Oh, poor thing. All right. You know what's bad about this?
Can't get it undone now.
Should have thought about that. I didn't think about it.
Unless we pull it down.
How do we do that? Just pull really, really hard? I don't think there's any other way we're going to do it. Oh, dang it. That's a lot of power. I mean, I pulled really hard. Crap. Probably, oh no, he's alive. All right, what I can do is we can tie it to that. Whoa, bang, there we go. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Poor bird. Man. Except, I don't know how much of a life he's got left. All right, we can tie that to the cleat and fire up the big motor and pull it.
Hopefully it doesn't
Smash into something.
hit us or something.
All right, well, I guess that's the reason why we should have came up here. Well, that was some ingenuity, don't you think? We made a good team. Oh, he got one. Oh, that's that mudfish.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. That's all right. That make it exciting. Oh, my goodness. Play him good. Oh, he let go.
Spit it out.
Oh, no. Well, that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
Very good. Oh, there he is. He's not that big, but he made a big splash. Look at that thing. He made a much bigger splash than that, didn't he?
You did.
That's where he should be. Whoop. Come on. Oh, jump back in the lake. There you go. He didn't want me to kiss him. Nope. There we go. Man. Good. Nice fish.
Here we go.
You gonna kiss him?
No.
Right. He's on the old system. Yep. Yep. Right. Yeah, nobody wants that. You gonna kiss him?
No.